Welcome to today's English listening practice. In this lesson, we'll talk about something every English learner faces: how to stay confident when speaking English. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Maybe your hands start to shake, your heart beats faster, and you worry that people might laugh if you make a mistake. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every English learner feels this way at some point. Even native speakers get nervous when speaking in public. Oh, how can you stay confident when speaking English? Let's look at some simple but powerful tips. Tip 1. Stop aiming for perfection. Most learners try too hard to be perfect. But remember, communication is more important than perfection. Instead of trying to speak perfect English, focus on expressing your ideas clearly. Confidence grows when you stop worrying about small errors. Tip 2. Practice speaking every day. Confidence comes from practice, not from reading grammar books. Speak out loud every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, say, "I'm making coffee. I'm going to work. I feel happy today." The more you speak, the more natural it feels. Tip 3. Use simple words. You don't need big, fancy words to sound fluent. Simple English is powerful. Short sentences are easy to understand and easy to say. For example, instead of saying, "I am experiencing a lack of confidence," just say, "I feel shy." Clear and simple English makes you sound more confident. Tip 4. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people speak faster, others slower, and that's okay. You are on your own journey. Celebrate your progress instead of comparing it. Every time you speak English, you're improving. Be proud of that. Tip 5. Surround yourself with English. Confidence grows when English becomes part of your life. Watch English movies. Listen to English podcasts. Follow English YouTube channels. Read short English stories. When you hear English daily, your brain gets used to it, and speaking becomes easier and more natural. Tip 6. Believe in yourself. The most powerful thing you can do is believe in yourself. You already know more English than you think. Don't let fear stop you from showing what you know. Before you speak, take a deep breath and remind yourself, "I can do this. I'm learning. I'm improving." Remember, confidence doesn't mean never being afraid. Each time you speak, you become a little stronger, a little braver, and a little more confident. So keep speaking, keep practicing, and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for listening to this English practice. If you found it helpful, subscribe for more listening stories and motivational lessons. See you in the next one. And remember, you can speak English confidently